Agriculture today is driven by data, algorithms, and AI, not just seeds and soil. With rising populations, limited land, and unpredictable weather, precision agriculture helps farmers do more with less. At the heart of precision agriculture is data annotation, the process of labeling images, videos, and sensor data so AI models can understand what they see. Whether it's identifying crop diseases, detecting weeds, counting seeds, or monitoring fields, accurate labeled data makes it all possible. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 data annotation tools for precision agriculture, highlighting their key features and which ones truly stand out. Starting at number 1, Labellerr. Labellerr is a purpose-built, enterprise-grade annotation platform designed for automation, precision, and scalability. It offers advanced segmentation capabilities for satellite imagery, drone footage, and crop images, ensuring pixel-perfect labeling of crops, weeds, and soil boundaries. With auto-labeling powered by SAM and active learning, it significantly reduces manual effort. Combined with professional annotation services, strong quality assurance processes, and data privacy compliance, Labellerr stands out as a complete solution for agritech organizations building serious AI systems. Next is Roboflow. Roboflow is widely known for simplifying the computer vision pipeline. It provides intuitive annotation tools such as polygon labeling and smart polygons, which work well for crop identification and disease detection. Its strong dataset management, version control, and compatibility with multiple ML frameworks make it ideal for teams that want to build and deploy models efficiently. At number 3, CVAT, Computer Vision Annotation Tool. CVAT is a powerful open-source platform popular in research and academia. It supports bounding boxes, polygons, and semantic segmentation. Since it can be deployed locally, it's a great option for teams with strict data security requirements or limited budgets. Fourth is Labelbox. Labelbox focuses on structured workflows and team collaboration. It supports various computer vision tasks relevant to agriculture, from crop monitoring to yield estimation. Its emphasis on quality control and review processes makes it suitable for growing agritech teams. Number 5, V7 Labs. V7 Labs emphasizes AI-driven automation, helping reduce manual labeling time while maintaining high accuracy. This makes it particularly valuable for large agricultural datasets, such as satellite imagery and seasonal drone surveys. Sixth, Encord. Encord supports multiple data types, including images, video, and satellite data. Its active learning capabilities prioritize the most informative samples, reducing annotation workload while maintaining strong model performance. Finally, Label Studio. Label Studio is a flexible open-source platform that supports images, video, time series sensor data, and text. Its customizable, plugin-based architecture makes it suitable for complex agricultural workflows combining multiple data sources. If you enjoy our content and want to see more, don't forget to hit subscribe.